Hi, Todd Warren here in the Forecast Center with an update on what to expect this weekend and next week here in the ArkLaTex, as we do have some changes on the way. Today, another gorgeous day with wall-to-wall sunshine. Temperatures early this afternoon have warmed into the upper 60s to low 70s and will probably end up in the low to middle 70s before it's all said and done. Still under the influence of this big upper level ridging here across the middle of the country. That's going to move off towards the east. We do have the trough here moving into the west coast. We will see a disturbance move out of Mexico into the southern plains heading into the beginning of next week. That will bring our next best chance of rain, and then a big upper level low will briefly settle into the middle of the country, bringing some rather chilly air towards the end of next week. But some changes on that. More on that in a second. Meantime, Robbins Toyota Futurecast shows that tonight we will stay mostly clear across the ArkLaTex as temperatures again will dip into the 40s. Tomorrow, I expect a mix of lots of sunshine and a few more clouds, especially over the southwest half of the area. Those clouds will increase tomorrow night. And then as we go into Sunday, we'll see a possibility for a few scattered showers, especially across the western half of the area Sunday afternoon through Sunday evening. That chance of rain will gradually decrease Sunday evening as everything shifts to the north. And then Monday we'll be awaiting the arrival of that disturbance I mentioned. You can see as we zoom this out, the showers and thunderstorms that will develop Sunday evening over West Texas. That activity will slowly begin to move towards the west. And you can see a little bit of a weakening trend as the activity moves into the ArkLaTex here Monday afternoon. So again, a little bit of thunder with this, but not still anticipating any severe weather in our area. There will be a chance to the west of us, but again, these storms expected to weaken, and they will move quickly through the area Monday evening. We will probably clear out Monday night, and then Tuesday we will see kind of a mix of lots of sunshine and a few clouds. Futurecast indicating here from now through Monday, we will see rainfall totals most of the area, quarter to half an inch. Now the blend of models really hasn't changed that much. It is still showing a half an inch to maybe an inch, with close to a half an inch over most of the area. So again, it does look like the heaviest totals will be over the northern half of the area, with that range of anywhere from a half an inch to an inch possible. Longer range, you can see how this plays out. Here comes that upper level disturbance, the chance of rain Monday. That moves through, upper level low digs into the Great Lakes, and it doesn't look as if this will dig as far south and as far west as it was looking as if it would earlier this week. As a result, it doesn't appear as if we will get quite as cold, and it does look like this is going to lift out fairly quickly, and as a result, with upper level ridging taking its place, we will warm back up above normal fairly quickly by the end of next weekend and the beginning of the following week, with temperatures warming back up into the 70s for highs. Our coolest morning probably going to be Friday morning. You can see these numbers have gone up quite a bit since yesterday. Last several days it looked like lows would be in the mid to upper 30s. Now it looks like upper 30s to low to middle 40s. These numbers probably a few degrees too warm, but nonetheless, some of the coldest air of the season looking promising late next week, but the chances of seeing freezing temperatures looks like it's going down. So that being said, your forecast looks like this for tonight. We will see a mostly clear sky across the ArkLaTex. Not as chilly, as temperatures will be pretty close to normal. 47 in Shreveport, 42 for the low temperature in Texarkana. Tomorrow, expect lots of sunshine, a few clouds mixing in. We stay pleasant with highs all across the area in the 70s, mid to upper 70s south, low to middle 70s across the north. We'll be at 74 in Texarkana, 76 in Marshall, and 78 degrees in Shreveport. 10-day forecast shows temperatures flirting with 80 both Sunday and Monday. Again, a decent chance for some showers west Sunday, area-wide Monday afternoon, Monday evening, and then we'll be dry for the rest of the period. You can see highs late next week will retreat back into the low to middle 60s, lows into the 30s and low to middle 40s, and then we should warm right back up into the low to middle 70s by the end of next weekend and the end of the 10-day period. So again, it looks like a nice start to the weekend tomorrow with some sunshine, a little bit of rain on the way for Sunday and Monday. Then we dry out and cool off as we move through the last half of next week.